In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook password. If you need to update your Outlook password, whether for security reasons or simply because you want to choose a new one, this process is usually quick and straightforward. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect once you're inside the app. To begin, open Outlook on your device and wait for it to fully load. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, look for your Profile section. This is where your account settings are typically stored, and it gives you access to the options related to your email account. Go ahead and click on your profile. After that, select the account option. This will take you into the area where you can manage important account details, including security settings. If you have more than one account connected, make sure you're working with the correct Outlook account before moving forward. Next, find and click the option that says Change Password. This is the setting that starts the password update process. In many cases, Outlook or Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity before allowing any security changes. This is a normal step and is there to help protect your account from unauthorized access. At this point, you may be asked to enter a verification code. That code is usually sent through one of your previously set up security methods, such as a backup email address or another verification option linked to your account. Enter the code carefully when prompted, so the system can confirm that it's really you. Once verification is complete, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Outlook will guide you through the remaining steps to create and confirm your new password. As you do this, try to choose a password that is strong, memorable, and different from passwords you've used before. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to improve security. After you finish the on-screen steps, your password will be changed. Depending on your device, you may need to sign in again using the new password, especially if Outlook asks you to re-authenticate your account. If that happens, just enter the updated password and continue. And that's it. That's how to change your Outlook password. If you're following along, take your time with the verification step and double-check your entries to avoid any sign-in issues afterward.